It must be hard ringing the bells of doors that don't swing wide.
Okay, let me just erase a couple lines here. I want to clean up the chart a little bit. Get rid of this one. I said we'll get rid of this one. Great. So the question is, why did I sell my silver today? I have a little trading account for SLV. Why on earth would I sell it? Well, this is the 5-year chart. I want you to watch something on the 5-year chart. Here we go. Right across the top for SLV. There you have it. That's one argument for selling. We are at the same top we were back in 2008 for silver. Okay? Doesn't mean we won't burst through it, and there's a likelihood we will at some point, but we are right there. Now we'll come down to the 1-year chart. You can see the line. Let me clean this line up just a hair. There's a top. Comes across the other tops. Yes, we've broken through it, but look at this advance. Very strong advance. Long-term supports there. Overhead resistance broken. Good sign for a long-term uptrend, but I still want to see a pullback, so I took some profits. Poking in there to another degree of refinement on this chart, you can see there's the advance much more clearly. And we'll come into a 3-month view of this chart, and you can see long-term supports in place. Here's where we are, long-term support again. Now let's draw a little trend line for this little rocket run that we've had here. Got to draw the line, fix the bottom here. There we go. All right, that's a pretty good little advance. I'm up a certain percentage on my trading account. I'd like to preserve that percentage. So, especially when I drill into the 1-month chart, here we are again. Okay, yes, broken the trend line, but as you can see, now we're drilling down into the 1-day chart. We have a little bit of a double top, and we ran out of day. Okay, jumping back to 5-year, it's this double top here that tells me I'd rather grab my profits and put it in the bank and then find out if we're going to break the trend line. Because I think if we break the trend line, we will go up, we'll pull back. We've got to pull back at some point. You can't just go straight to the ceiling. So that's my argument for selling my position today. That's it. Short one. Bye.
It must be hard ringing the bells of doors that don't swing wide.